In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make landing pages with Google Sites. Creating a professional and engaging landing page can be an invaluable way to present your ideas, promote your business, or share any content effectively. And the best part, you can do all of this for free using Google Sites. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Google Sites. If you haven't already, sign in with your Google account to gain access to this user-friendly, web-based application. Once you're on the main page of Google Sites, you'll be greeted with a straightforward interface. Click on the plus icon or the option to create a new blank site. This will bring up a fresh canvas where you can start building your landing page from scratch. As you begin, you'll notice that Google Sites defaults to a simple layout. The first thing to do is click on the placeholder text that says your page title. This is where you'll add a page title, which will serve as your main heading. Think of this as the billboard of your landing page, something that immediately captures attention. Now, it's time to use the Insert panel on the right side. This section is key to adding all your content. Start by adding a text box. You can do this simply by selecting text from the Insert options. This step is essential for inputting your page's main content, so feel free to write an engaging introduction or describe the services or products you're promoting. It's all about making a strong impression right from the start. After you've placed and entered your text, you can easily customize it by clicking on the text box to edit the content. This flexibility helps in ensuring that your information is clear and appealing to the audience. Next, let's add some visual elements to make your landing page more engaging. Click on Images and then select Upload. Here, you can choose high-quality images from your computer that align with your page's theme or branding. Remember, images often communicate faster than text, so choose visuals that support your message effectively. Once your content and images are in place, the final touch is to customize the design. Click on the header type drop-down menu at the top of the page and choose Large Banner. This choice is great for creating a bold hero section that can really draw the eye and set the tone for your page. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've created a stylish and functional landing page using Google Sites. Feel free to explore further design and layout options within Google Sites to make your page unique. Don't forget to preview your site and make any final tweaks before publishing. Thank you for watching and happy site building!